So, what's up? I know I've done a previous video on packing, but I'm gonna do something a little bit similar, but it's because I changed up my packing gear, and that's for two reasons. This is gonna be a short-ish video. The first reason being that I went from a jock strap to something like this. It's the mypack. I went from Cake Bandit and Jock Mail to the mypack. It has no straps in the back like a jock strap. So that piece of material between your crotch for the jock strap makes me sweat so bad, especially with a packer combined in it, and it's cottony material. It made me sweat and stink real bad, so it's just a lot more sanitary to be wearing this, whereas there's nothing underneath. And also, this material is safe to swim with because it's kind of like spandexy and cottony, so it's not as it dries faster and stuff like that. So yeah, one reason, because it just feels fresher to wear this. All you gotta do is wear some briefs or something to keep it in place. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I wear men's bikini type underwear. I don't wear the thong ones because that's going a little too far, but I like briefs and the bikini type underwear, so that holds this whole thing in place. I had previously gotten a mypack. This is the stealth band. I got a 4-pack of the regular ones, but I had previously gotten a mypack, but the pouch was smaller because they had just been starting out making them, and I got a medium pouch with an extra small band so that it stays around my waist real snug. And another reason that I stopped using Cake Bandit and Jock Mail is because in April, I think it was April. It was either April or a little bit before April. I contacted them about being I guess somewhat of a model for them. I asked how that would be possible and stuff. They told me they have photo shoots in New York, and I'm close to New York, so we were talking about me attending them. And then they said, keep it on the hush, but we have some packing gear type swimwear, swim trunks in development, and we want you to, can we send you a pair to test them and review them? So I'm thinking, cool, this is awesome. I have an opportunity to get a little attention, on my causes, on my story with this review and testing out this brand new product. So I'm thinking, great, this is a good opportunity for me. So for months I waited, kept it on the hush, and maybe a month ago, it's now August, and now a month ago I looked and they just have random guys modeling this swimwear. After they had promised me basically that I would be the one modeling it and reviewing it and testing it, they already had people testing it and reviewing it and modeling it. I can't stand behind a company that can't keep their word. So I'm not even gonna lie, I threw away all my Cake Bandit. I kept one Jock Mail jock strap and one Cake Bandit jock strap just in case I dirty these up and don't wash enough in time for me to wear them. I'll have backups, but as far as that goes, I can't support Cake Bandit and Jock Mail TransGuySupply anymore, because they just, if a company cannot keep their word about one thing, I cannot trust them about anything. So yeah, I mean, that's different for everybody. I mean, you might like their products and you might have had a good experience with TransGuySupply, and you might have had a bad experience with mypack, because honestly I've had somewhat of a with mypack, but it was taken care of. So yeah, like, it might be different for everybody else. People might not agree with me. They might like Cake Bandit Jock Mail, but I personally can't support them for going back on their word with me and never saying anything about it afterwards. They didn't say a word to me about it after. They acted like nothing. They acted as if they never offered anything. So I just kept it rolling. Like I kept it as if like they never told me anything. I'm like, okay, you want to act like you never told me you would let me test out this product. I don't want to test out your product. I don't want your product. So yeah, but I did want to explain that my packing choices have changed, and explain why a little bit, because I don't know. It's not like I don't want people to support their company. I just think that that was really shallow, like, of them. And I wasn't gonna say anything or do a video on it, but that's ridiculous. Like, I should be able to speak up. So, yeah, just I would try out this mypack for trans guys that haven't tried out any packing gear yet besides packers. Try the mypack. It's really nice, unless you wear like boxers or something. Even then, because a lot of dudes go commando with this, and it's comfortable. I can't go commando personally, but yeah, try the mypack. It's on Instagram. You can go on Instagram and find them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to explain that story, and yeah, I will find something else to ramble about. I think I'm gonna do an update when I get my top surgery consult over with on the 1st of September. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.